Tanto, Yakan, Tanto, Yakan,
Hello, and welcome to week 50 of Radio Crime.
Yes, welcome to week 50 of Radio Crime. Yes, go on. We hope you enjoyed last week's show where we interviewed Endav. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So that interview was a good interview, wasn't it, go on?
Yeah.
We got all of our usual features this week, haven't we, gone? Such as a mystery song. What's a mystery song, gone?
5 different sounds.
From 5 different decades. Yes, gone.
Yeah.
We also got history with Osham, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
We also got Garage this week, latest charts, and our new feature as well, which was suggested by Dion. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
What's the feature called on?
Mystery sound.
Yes, feature Dion suggested was a mystery sound on. What's a mystery sound? It's when we play different sound for you each week. Yes, go on. We also got Mac News around the school with us. We also got sports news with Max and Peter. They're standing here ready to prepare for this week's news. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
We also got our interview for this week. How are we going?
Yeah.
Who's our guest for this week, gone?
Kelly.
And she's a supply staff at the moment, isn't she, gone?
Yeah.
So we are going to start off with which song, gone?
Alon.
And that's by Definia. Yes, gone.
Yeah.
And who's this requested for this week, gone?
Kev.
Mrs. Who's Yes Gone. So and then after this we'll have the mystery song for this week. Yes, gone.
Yeah.
Calon gawn ni gari
That was Calon.
And that's by Gaffiniad, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And now we've got the mystery song for this week. How are we going?
Yeah.
What's the mystery song going?
5 different songs in 5.
Yeah, it's 5 different songs from 5 different decades. Yes, go on.
Yeah,
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week.
Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna.
Song the number 5 this week.
Oh, we got the sound effect.
Yes, we hope you got all those songs correct. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
We've got our next song here now, which is Aaron Moore, and it's by Ellen Flair. Yes, go on.
Yeah,
And then after this, we'll have the Ocean's History Corner for this week. Yes, go on.
yeah, yeah.
This is the history. This is the history. The last song was Alan Moore by Ellen Flair. Really good song. Hope you enjoyed that song. So, now, like everyone knows, I'm doing a history, am I? So, now we're going to do a history. Today is history about Saint Dwynwen Day. Santes Dwynwen in Wales. So, anyways, that's enough of that one. It's Welsh patron saint of a celebrated annual on January 25th. Her history is a blend of 5th century history and Celtic folklore, making her the well equipment to St. Valentine. No, Matron, by the way. We got two. We got Santes Dwynwen and Valentine. It's completely different, cause the daughter of King Brycheiniog Dwynwen was a princess living in what is now the Brecon Beacons according to legend. Heartbreak Dwynwen fell in love with a prince named Maelon Daffodil, but their marriage was forbidden because her father had already arranged for her to marry another. With 3 wishes in her grave, Dwynwen fled to the woods and prayed to forget Maelon. An angel appeared and gave her a potion. While it raised her memory, it also turned Maelon into a block of ice. Gold then granted Dwynwen 3 wishes. The Maelon befooled, the god would look after all through. That she would never marry dictated her life to God instead. Religious life and legacy. Dwynwen became a nun and established convent on Llanddwyn Island. Been it! Done that! A small tidal island of the coast of Anglesey. Hey Dion, Dolan, have you been there? Yes? A good place, isn't it? So yeah, Llanddwyn Island. The name Llanddwyn, translated to the Church of St. Dwynwen, the 16th century. Ruins of her church and a holy well dedicated to her still stand there today. The holy well pilgrims have visited the well for centuries. Legends say a sacred fish or lives in the water and can predict the future of couple relationship based on its movements. Modern celebration. So, modern celebration is, while the cult Dwynwen dates back to the Middle Ages, the modern celebration of Dydd Santes Dwynwen, or St. Dwynwen's Day in English, saw a review in the 1960s today. It is celebrated throughout Wales with exchange of cards, Welsh love spoons and romantic gifts. You can explore the site of her convent by visiting the Llanddwyn Island Nature Reserve. That's a website, by the way, not a proper place. So if I was here, I wouldn't go there. It's the Llanddwyn Island Nature Reserve, yeah? The real, if you're going to go to the Llanddwyn, is by Newborough. So, hope you enjoyed this, all about Dwynwen's and how they got. Anyways, moving on the January the 25th, Santes Dwynwen Day, and I'll see you next week. I know this is not that long because there's not a lot to say, except if you listen to this now, St. Dwynwen's Day, you know what we're doing when we're having Valentine's Day, do we? So I'm just remind you on that one. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and if I was you, I would really go to Llanddwyn Island. It's a brilliant idea to go there, but just don't go there when the tide's are high, because you're going to be having a little bit of a disaster. You're going to have your water up to your trousers, and even better, you maybe have to go and swim back to the other side. Anyway, Anyway, moving on about that. No idea who done that. Am I? Oh, hold on. It's me, isn't it? Anyway. So, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next week on more some history about Brazil. Because I was supposed to be doing Brazil this week, but everyone called Diana Dull and the boys reminded me it's celebration of St. David's Day. No, got you there, didn't I? Santos doing when? So, yeah, next week got the Brazil. I don't know what we're doing in Brazil yet, because there's a lot of stuff in Brazil, yeah. The next song is going to be a really great song, actually. Suspicious Minds by Elvis Presley. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye for now. Suspicious Minds by Elvis Presley. Bye.
We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say, we can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can build our dreams on suspicious minds. So if an old friend I know stops by to say hello, would I still see suspicion in your eyes? But here we go again, asking where I've been. You can't see the tears are real, I'm crying. We can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can build our dreams on suspicious minds. Won't let our love survive, or dry the tears from your eyes. Let's don't let a good thing die. When, honey, you know I have never lied to you. Yeah, yeah. We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you do?
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
A train of flatbeds are needed at the docks to drop off some steel beams. But that yard foreman from 2 months ago angrily wrote a letter saying, and I quote, "Hurry up! I want it done fast!" unquote. But an 060 switcher won't fit the complex street and tight industrial trackage. So Engage's Railroad Riddles will devise a solution. Let's get this context out of the way. The 060, its wheelbase can't even fit the trackage. The answer? An 040 would do the job. Now, before you all start telling me they're out of date and too small, remember, the Penzi, which I'm using as an example, have more tight trackage than other railroads. So, we just move the switcher to the switch, or rather beyond it, so that tender is in line, then reverse onto the flatbeds, take them to the docks, uncouple, run round them, and job done. Next up is Lacey's Music Jazz, but before that, get the Lionel's Penzi A5 Legacy or Lion Chief, some flat cars and track, and conduct this something similar.
Thank you, Ethan. Now here's the charts. At number 10 we got Adore You by Fred again. At number 9 we got Perfect by Mason and Princess Superstar. At number 8 we got Disconnect by Becky Hill. At number 7 we got Oh My Love by Zara Larsson and David Guetta. At number 6 we got Asking by Sonny Fodera, MK and Clementine Douglas. At number 5 we got Badadana by Jason Status by Bo Flo Dan. At number 4 we got DNA by Billy Gillies and Fiend Hannah Boylan. At number 3 we got Leave Me Alone by Fred again and Baby Keem. And number 2 we got Prada by Casso Ray D Block Europe. And at number 1 we got Murder on the Dance by Sophie Ellis Baxter.
Thank you, Lacey, for the chat.
Yes, and now we've got our mystery sound for this week. Come on, we're going.
Yeah.
We are going to play you your mystery sound now, aren't we? And this is a new feature where we play a different sound each week. And you have to guess which sound it is. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion. Hope you got the sound effect.
Yes, we hope you got your sound correct. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And our next song here now is by who, Don?
Midnight Runner.
And it's Come On Eileen. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And then after this we'll have news updates from around the school.
Sunny side upon the right. this moment. Everything in that dress, oh my thoughts are the best. Well, they're dirty.
News from around the school.
That would come in Eileen.
And that was Mike Gexy's Minute Runners, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And now we've got News Runners school theme for this week, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
So, we got James, first of all. He has gone to Disneyland to celebrate his birthday there, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Hope he has a good time in Disney, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And also, he's celebrating his birthday as well, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
We wish him a happy birthday, and don't worry, Stevie Wonder's coming up for you very soon, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And there is also the youth clubs on Thursday. Well, that is between 6:30 and 8:30 if you want to go along, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And there's also another youth club, isn't there, somewhere, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And where's that going?
In the library.
Yes, and that is run by Mencap if you want to go along, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And in the cafe this week, what do we got? Are they preparing in the cafe this week, go on?
Without.
Yes, we're preparing lobscouse in the cafe this week, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And also there is rugby every Wednesday, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And that is between 3:15 and
4:15.
yes, go on. That's between 3:15 and 4:15 if you want to go along, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And also, Don, what else do we have happening in the school this week, go on?
Done.
Yes, dancing, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And some students here in Kyme do dancing lessons, don't they, go on?
Yeah.
And they're doing it with Geffin Page from the Irv, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
Hope that goes well for them, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Me and you are not in it, no.
No.
No, and we know Lacey is, yes, Lacey. And Casey's in it as well, yes, go on. And I think that's all the news we got for you this week, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
That's all we got for this week, yes, go on. And what song's coming up now, Don?
Mayo.
That's by Steve Howley and the Cockney Rebel, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And then after this, we'll have your mystery song and sound answers. And then after, we'll have the leaderboard as well, yes, go on.
Yeah.
You've done it all. You've broken every code. Pulled the rebel to the floor. You spoiled the game, no matter what you say. But only metal, what a bore. Blue eyes, blue eyes. How can you tell so many lies? Come up and see me, make me smile. I'll do what you want, running wild. There's nothing left, all gone and run away. Maybe you'll tarry for a while. It's just a test, a game for us to play. Win or lose, it's hard to smile. Resist, resist. It's from yourself you have to hide. know what faith is and what it's worth. Away, away, and don't say maybe you'll try to come up and see me, to make me smile. Do what you want, just run on wild.
Come up and see me, make me smile. Or do what you want, running wild.
Make you smile.
And that's by Ski Fowler, yes, go on.
Yeah, dear.
And now we got your mystery song answers for this week. How are we going?
Yeah, dear.
So what was our first song for today, gone?
The Beatles, Hey Jude.
Yes, that was Hey Jude by the Beatles, yes, gone. And our second song is a 70s song, which is American Pie by Don McLean, yes, gone.
Yeah, dear.
And our 80s song for this week, gone.
Africa.
And that's by Toto, yes, gone.
Yeah.
And our 90s song was Wannabe by the Spice Girls, yes, gone.
Yeah, dear.
What was our song for the noughties, gone?
Daddy. Car.
And that's by the Chemical Brothers, yes, gone.
Yeah.
Okay, so we hope you got all the mystery song answers correct, yes, gone.
Yeah, dear.
And now we got Ocean with the League of World answers, yes, gone.
Yeah.
See how much scores people got today, yes, gone.
Yeah,
And let's hope there's no cheating today, yes, gone.
yeah, dear.
And just before Ocean takes over, yes, gone. What was the mystery sound for this week?
A drum.
Yes, and our mystery sound for this week was a drum. From which room, Don?
The music room.
Yes. Now here's us with the League of World answers.
Now I got the leaderboard. So this week was, can you name the 2010s TV show? So number 9 we had The Win Wen, that got 2 out of 15. Number 7 we got King Chwech, we got 6 out of 15. Also Cynna Saith got 6 out of 15. Oh well, Music got 7, but they cheated, so we got lost 1 point, so they got 6 out of 15. So number 6 we got Cynna Ian, we got 7 out of 15. Number 5 we got Cynna Die, got 8 out of 15. Well done. Number 4 we got Cynna Pedwar, got 9 out of 15, and Cynna 3 got 9 out of 15. Number 3 we got Cynna Chwech, they got 10 out of 15. King Pedwar got 10 out of 15. Number 2 we got King Tree, we got 11 out of 15, and number 1 we got Canal Die, got 13 out of 15. Well done. No one had the full house today, no. So I'll see you next week on the leaderboard, and goodbye. The next song is gonna be for a person called Jade and Charlie, I think, in school. Happy Birthday by Stevie
Wonder.
What again?
Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonder, yeah. So hope you enjoy that song.
never understood how a man who died for good could not have a David Woods. He said, aside for his recognition, because it should never be just because some cannot see. The dream is clear as he. Time will bring, or in peace our heart will sing. Thanks to Martin Luther King. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What has there never been a holiday? Yeah. Where peace is celebrated all throughout the world. Time is overdue for people like me and you who know the way true is love and unity to all of God's children. Should be a great event. And the whole day should be spent in full remembrance of those who lived and died for the wonders of our people. So let us all begin. We know that love can win. Let it out, don't hold it in. Say it loud as you can. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people who believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell us so.
What of the public please news? So we have this week's Hurleys match. West Ham suspended. Bulls, Brighton, Burnley, Spurs, City, Wolves, Forest, Liverpool, Crystal Palace, Chelsea, Newcastle, Aston Villa, Breakfast, Northcourse, Arsenal, Bayern, Everton, Leeds United. Now, we have 2 suspended 2 1 to Sunderland, and 2 1 to West Ham. 2 1 to Reading, 3 1 to Reading, 1 year to Fulham. 2 1 to Spurs, 3 0 Spurs, 3 1 to Spurs. We have 2 1 to Hull, 3 1 to Wall, 5 0 to City. 1 2, 3 0 to Borough, 2 1 to Borough, 2 1 to Chelsea, 2 1 to Hammers. Chelsea 2 to Chelsea. So we have Newcastle after that. 2 2 to Aston Villa. 3 2 to Aston Villa. 2 2 for draw. We have Breakfast Northwood. 2 0 for Breakfast. 2 1 for Breakfast. 2 0 for Breakfast. We have 2 on the Breakfast. We have Arsenal right now. It's 6 years Arsenal. 6 years Arsenal. We have 2 years Amanda. And we have Angleterre, Worcester, Leicester Derby. 3 years to Leicester Derby. 3 1 to Leicester Derby. Worcester had the starter. Of just 1 year Angleterre. Yeah, the top of the salary table. Also on top have 60 points. And we have the top behind the Arsenal is Man City 43. And also as Arsenal for 43. And Liverpool have 32. Man United has 35. Chelsea 34 versus 33. Newcastle 33. Sanders also 33. We had Anderson 32. Bulls have 31. Rising has 29. And the Sabres have 28. And Spurs has 27. Bolton, because of Spurs, we have 26. And 1 point ahead. This only has 25. Because of with a 1 point ahead. And North Coast has 22. West Ham has 17 points. And Burnley have 14. Wolverhampton have 8. After the overview of the system got review, this will be a mass coverage match.
You Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
What W and Elminder here.
Yes, go on. And we've got our interview for this week, haven't we, gone?
Yeah, Dion.
So, I'm pretty sure we've interviewed her before, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
We'll welcome back Kelly to the studio. Hello, Kelly, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good, thank you.
Yes, we're good, thank you. Are you good, Dawn?
Yeah.
Are you good, Lacey?
Yeah.
Okay, so our first question for you this time is, are you enjoying your course in college?
I am. It's very interesting, and I've met a lot of interesting people so far.
How much do you miss football with Dion?
Not much at the moment because Liverpool aren't doing very well.
Oh, of course. Man United recently won Liverpool here before Christmas.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about that.
We go, don't we, mate?
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to your wedding soon?
I am, yeah. Very, thank you.
When will your honeymoon be soon?
We're going to Mexico in August.
Wow. What will you be going in Mexico?
Oh, sunbathing, reading a book, and go on some jet skis.
Could you have watched the game at the Dainby Park or Old Trafford?
I've been to Old Trafford before and I really didn't like it, so I'd rather go to St James's Park.
Oh, what a shame. Let's go on.
Yeah.
Why would you ever go? St James's Park or Old Trafford?
Old Trafford.
Why would you want to go to Old Trafford, Dawn?
To watch Man United.
Oh, yes. Where would you rather go, Lacey? St James's Park or Old Trafford?
St James's Park.
Why would you pick St James's Park?
Because the environment, it's beautiful there.
Oh, I'd rather go to Old Trafford with Dawn. Yes, go on.
Dion. Which class could you teach in Cardiff?
Oh, that's a good one. Any class.
Any. Which one would be your favourite?
Ooh, I'd have to go back to my old class.
Oh.
Kate Dye.
Well, Kate Guy has changed now, yeah?
Yeah.
It used to be Kate Team,
It
didn't
used to
it?
be Katie, yeah.
Can you name the band that sung Disco 2000 and Common People?
I think that's Pulp.
Yeah, you're correct. Pulp did it. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Our 8th question we got here for you today is, would you like to come back to Cardiff in the future?
Yeah, I'm coming back in the last week of July, so I'll see you all then.
Cool. So that is just before the summer holidays, isn't it?
That's the one.
And my birthday too.
Will you be going full time in September?
Yep.
Cool.
What job did you have before Cardiff?
I worked in a Skolmwylvra.
Cool. It's not the same as Cardiff, no.
No idea.
No.
Which song do you want to end over the Radio Card this week, Kelly?
Oh, it's an easy one. Could I have Just Looking by the Stereophonics, please?
Of course, yes, go on. I'm pretty sure Miss Williams won't be happy now.
No.
So we're going to finish off this week's show with Just Looking by Stereophonics, and we'll see you next week for week, what is it going?
51.
Week 51 of Radio Cam. Yes, go on. And thank you, Kelly, for coming on for the second time with us.
No problem, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
And we'll take care for now.
There's things I want, there's things I think I want, there's things I've had, there's things I wanna have. Do I want the dreams, the ones we're forced to see? Do I want the perfect wife? But perfect ain't quite right. Shopping every day, yeah. Take it back the next break. They say the more you fly, the more you risk your life. And I'm just looking, drenched my head and said what I said. Said that life is what you make of it, yet most of us just fake. And I'm just looking, I'm not buying. I'm just looking, it keeps me smiling. I'm just looking, I'm not buying. I'm just looking, it keeps me trying. And I'm just looking, I'm not buying. I'm just looking, it keeps me smiling. There's things I want, there's things I think I want, there's things I've had, there's things I wanna have. They say the more you fly, the more you risk your life. I'm just looking, I'm not buying. I'm just looking, keeps me smiling.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Caib, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Taxi Central, Radio Caib,
Radio Caib, Radio Caib,
Taxi Central, Radio Caib,
You're listening to Radio Caib, Radio Caib.